What's up guys, and welcome to the Daily News Hour. You're looking at the live hands-on look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G EA Sports. It's in the game. What a weird long name. I mean, why can't it just be Galaxy Fold 2? You know, it's small and it sounds cool. But despite the weird long mouthwash name, this looks so damn good. So first up, you can see the name is confirmed, and gone is that big notch from last year's foldable phone. So now we have a punch hole system. This is the first foldable phone to get a punch hole design with slimmer bezels than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, as per latest information from Ice Universe a couple of months ago, the bezels of this Galaxy Z Fold 2 may actually be slimmer than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And best of all, this is going to be the first foldable phone in the world to have a 120Hz refresh rate. That's an absolute major flex on other companies that are still sticking to 60Hz, while Samsung is doing 120Hz on its foldable device. Is absolutely crazy. Like I said, if you're bringing something close to $2,000 in 2020, it has to have everything, and 120Hz display is a must. Now inside, we're gonna see the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chip. Like all foldable phones, Qualcomm chipset will be there, as they are the best and better than what Samsung currently produces on its own. We actually have some information on that later on in this video, but yeah, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is looking pretty good. Samsung is set to bring some new software features as well, and I know it's not featuring the S Pen, but still it's going to be a really good device. Samsung is the only major foldable smartphone brand that is working closely with Google on this, so you can definitely count on Samsung when it comes to the software advantage. All in all, the Z Fold 2 is looking pretty good. It is confirmed by Samsung's official trailer that the Z Fold 2 will be announced at the Unpacked event live on August the 5th, so I'm super excited for that. Of course, we're going to see the Note 20, the Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy Watch 3, and the Galaxy Buds Live, aka the Galaxy Beam. Now, as we know, the Exynos 990 processor is happening. There's been a lot of online polls going on, and most of the people out there, they want the Qualcomm version, and there's very little love for the Exynos 990, but I have a good news for you guys, because Exynos 990 might have some hidden optimization. Now, this news is coming from a Twitter leakster. He says that Samsung has done some optimization with the Exynos 990 processor so that it can match the performance of the Snapdragon 865 Plus chip. Now, as per latest testing by Anand Tech website, which is one of the most, I would say, trusted website when it comes to these kind of things, as per their numbers, the Exynos 990 actually matches the performance of the 865. It's only when you play games or do something for a longer period of time, then the throttling kicks in and the performance goes down compared to the Snapdragon 865, which keeps its number to the same level the way it starts with. So basically what Samsung has probably done is to fix the thermal issues, maybe a better cooling system in place that ensures that Exynos 990 sustains the best performance without any throttling issue. Again, only time will tell if that actually is true. I will be doing my own testing, comparing it to the Exynos 990 of the S20 Ultra, and possibly with the Snapdragon 865 of other devices such as the OnePlus 8 Pro and the Oppo Find X2 Pro. So whether it is fixed or not, the time will tell, but it is nice to see that there is something done with the Exynos 990 processor. Also, we have a news regarding the OLED situation. If you guys remember this brand name BOE, they had deals going on with Apple and Samsung with iPhone 12 and Galaxy S21 OLED panels, but because the quality was not up to Samsung standards and also Apple standard, both of these major brands dropped BOE on its head, and they're like, no, we don't want to work with you, which is why Samsung Display will be responsible for about 80% of the displays that you're gonna see on the iPhone 12 series this year. According to the new report coming from South Korea, BOE is improving their own standards. They are right now the world's biggest LCD panel maker, and they're making a huge growth when it comes to the OLED displays. Although they are currently eliminated from the Project U, which is for the Galaxy S21 series, they're still trying their best to reach out to Samsung and basically trying to crack the deal. If they actually improve their quality, who knows, they might even get that deal once again. But that is in the future. Right now, the Z Fold 2 is looking pretty good. The Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, along with the Galaxy Watch 3 and the Buds Live, all will be announced officially on August the 5th. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the new design of the Z Fold 2, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.